Today we're going to take a look at how to replace a pollen filter on an ID.4. It's located in the engine compartment in the airbox. Here you can see we're removing a insulation piece. There's two clips on it. You just pull down and pull them around the clips, and that gives us access to the front door here. See, on the left hand side there's just a retaining clip. You can just pull it back to open the door. Inside there are two slots. Some vehicles are equipped with two pollen filters. This one just has one. You may have a pre-filter, so there would be two filters in there. And you just pull it out and swap in the new one. Installation is in reverse order, classic instructions. Here you can see me struggling with the front door a little bit. Just need to line up the two tangs, and then you press it back in under the clip, and then the insulation just slides down under those two tangs. And there we go.